Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Janlyn again, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. If you're new here, welcome. Here we do plenty things. If that interests you, consider in subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're updated with my latest videos. So today's topic, guys, is I'm going to show you an update of our vegetable garden. So let me just give you an overview of how they look like here, and we'll start with our yellow courgette, and look at how big and long the fruits are, guys, of our yellow courgette. And look at that. Oh my god, look at that. It's so long that you can even see the end of the fruit. So let me just, there you go. Probably this one is almost like 1 foot. So there's more on this side. Look at that. And then there's one there. It's so long. So they're ready for harvest. And there's more here. So there you go. There's more there. And then these are our aubergine or eggplant, and there's no flower yet. And another pot of pots of eggplant or aubergine. And these are our tomatoes. As you can see there, we already have fruits. And soon, we'll have fresh tomatoes from our garden, as you can see. And then, show you these other parts as well. So this is our strawberry. So, spider season is starting here in the UK. So there are many spider webs around. And our strawberries here. So there's one there. And this one is our pine berry. So let me see if I can find the fruit, because most of the time we pick them out, or it could have dried out because it's very hot these past few days here in the UK. And when you come near this pine berries, like you can smell the delicious fruit already. So yeah, there's only small ones at the moment there, so they don't become red like strawberries, so they just look like that. So sometimes it's confusing to know if they're ripe because they don't turn red. Yeah, I think we pick out most of the fruits. And let me just show you a quick look on these pansies that I've planted from seeds, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. They're just beautiful. I love it. I'm going to transfer them in a hanging basket soon. They're just gorgeous. So back to our fruits and vegetables. So here is our blueberries. So full of ripe blueberries there. You can see there. And this is our olive tree. So it was flowering. I think it's still flowering, but we don't have any fruits yet. And let me show you the other side of these plants so that I can show you the other vegetables. Alright, guys, so these are the other tomatoes. So there will be plenty of tomatoes to be harvested soon. And so we have different type of tomatoes. And let me just show you this one. So we have this corn here. It was planted by my youngest daughter. She loved corn, so she's been waiting for these flowers to become corn fruit, an ear of corn. So yeah, as you can hear, there's a plane passing by. So we're near the airport, so it's going to be the sound most of the time here in my videos. So these ones are the chard, so you can eat them for salad. And there are holes there. I need to spray my pesticide, my organic pesticide on these ones. And if you haven't seen that video yet, guys, please check it out. It will definitely help your garden if you're into organic gardening. And these are our onions. And oh, these are the chives. Sorry, these are the chives. And our onions are already having flowers. They're so tall. And here is our cucumber. So I think in my previous video I said it's lao, but it's cucumber. And we have fruits here. So you can see there. Let me focus the video. Yay, look at that. It's almost ready to be harvested. And then there's another one there. It's not focusing. There you go. But you can see it, guys. So, oh, there's another one here. You can see that. So we'll go to the back of the storage and I'll show you the other vegetables here in our garden. Alright guys, so here are our vines. So this one is Chinese potol. So we thought before it's a Bangladeshi potol, but I am not sure what's the difference between them. If you know the difference between Chinese potol and Bangladeshi potol, just put a comment below, guys. But we are having fruits anyway. So it's called potol. And look at that. So many. Can see. Let me find more fruits here. So see, you can see there, guys. And then there's one more there. So my husband said that you can eat this like cucumber, and yeah, we'll need to try that or cook it like a normal vegetable. So I don't know if I can show you something that's closer. This one is the same one that I've shown you earlier. So yeah, so these are the potols, or the potol, and here's our lao or bottle gourd. And as you can see, it's already climbing up the trellis. And we have our fruit. And look at that, guys. Isn't she pretty? So soon we can harvest the fruit of our labor. So my husband have been doing the pollination of the lao, and look, it works well. So it's good that we're going to have some fruit soon, or vegetables. So there you go. We have small ones here. It's not focusing. So yeah. So there you go, guys. So we'll go back to the front of the garden. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. It will really help my channel. And I'll see you again soon in my next video. Happy gardening!